The SK55SRX is the largest member of the Kobelco SR series of mini excavators. Now, for the first time, it comes equipped with Kobelco's proprietary INDR engine cooling system, which drastically reduces noise and dust. INDR's unique duct configuration takes air in at the front of the machine, sends it through the sealed engine compartment, and vents it underneath. The sealed duct keeps engine noise inside the engine compartment. Outside noise measured behind the machine is reduced by as much as 9 decibels to just 75 decibels. Work can be carried out more quietly than ever before in urban areas and at night, when noise is a concern. INDR also protects the machine's internal components by filtering out dust at the air intake. The radiator, oil cooler, and other components of the cooling system stay clean and clog-free, resulting in better engine reliability and easier maintenance. In addition to INDR, the SK55SRX features Kobelco's renowned fuel-saving technology, including the new S operating mode that cuts fuel consumption by 23%. And the one-touch deceleration feature saves even more fuel. Wider, deeper, higher. With standard attachments, the SK55SRX delivers an operating range at the top of its class. The SK55SRX has a rear overhang of just 190 mm for unrestricted operation in small spaces. Enhanced stability contributes to a wider operating range and greater lifting capacity. Kobelco's uniquely contoured dozer attachment maximizes efficiency by preventing dirt from spilling behind the blade. The high-torque travel system climbs hills with ease, with a 2-speed gear system that automatically shifts into low mode when a load is applied. High and low travel modes can also be selected manually using a convenient switch on the operating lever. Kobelco's IFPS system utilizes 3 pumps to optimize performance, with the dozer pump providing additional digging power as needed. A mini excavator with full-size operating comfort. The SK55SRX features a comfortable work environment with a large square cab. The rationalized control layout ensures relaxed and effortless operation, with an unobstructed view through the front window. Plenty of footroom enables the operator to work long hours without fatigue. The wide cab door provides easy entry and exit. The cab and canopy feature reinforced pillar construction that meets ROPS and FOPS requirements. The operator is protected in the unlikely event of a machine rollover or falling object. The new color LCD monitor keeps track of vital machine functions at all times and can also display maintenance data. A climate control system is provided as standard equipment for comfortable machine operation. System vents can be easily set to the desired angle. The front window has gas cylinders to facilitate opening and closing. The right side window can also be opened. Daily maintenance checks of the cooling system can be done much more quickly than before. Daily maintenance of the cooling system consists of simply removing the filter and cleaning it with blown air. All fuel filters and other components that require maintenance are easy to see, access, and change. The status of the engine oil, radiator, and cooling water can be checked quickly and easily. The air filter can be changed without difficulty. The floor mat has tabs that help control mud and comes in 2 pieces that are easily removed and cleaned. The climate control filters are also easy to clean. The swing bracket, boom top, and idler link are made of high-strength castings. Attachment joints are durable and strong, thanks to a plate-type bucket link pin combined with bolt-tightened pins that prevent clatter. Working lights are mounted on the machine side of the boom to protect them from damage. The SK55SRX mini excavator is packed with many full-size features developed exclusively by Kobelco, including low noise operation, excellent fuel efficiency, outstanding operability, and easy maintenance. It's a new era in mini excavator performance, all from Kobelco.